I got a package in the mail the other day for LMNT. Took me forever to figure out what LMNT was. It's just elements. And what they are is their slogan is "Stay salty." And I decided to try their stuff for, we have our filtered water and whatnot. Um, Comes with a pretty cool sticker and some nutrition facts and a little catalog. Tells you what each one of the different ones is. I got the sample pack, and it's got electrolyte drink mixes and a 12 stick variety pack. Because not sure which ones I like yet. Never had these before, so we're gonna try one. We've got our water bottle, and there's watermelon salt, orange salt, raspberry salt, and citrus salt. So we'll try open the package here, and they're just little packets of the different flavors, and 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium, and no sugar, and 2 grams of carbs for each one. This is so when you're out sweating, you're working out, doing whatever. Like we're out here, not exactly cool. It's been in the 90s plus today. So even though we're staying hydrated, we've been sweating a lot. So we just want to replace some of the salts and everything else. Pour that in there. Smells pretty good. Smells kind of orangey. So this is the orange salt. You just put it in there, shake it up, make sure it's all dissolved. And it says on here 16 to 32 ounces of water, and you can adjust to find your taste. And it says you'll get the hang of it after a couple of them to which ones you like. Smells like an orange drink. Tastes like orange flavored salt, which is good because you need to replace that when you sweat it out. Just regular water won't replace any of the salts or magnesium or any of that other kind of stuff that these help with. And make sure you stay hydrated.